Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Ollama from your laptop and remove the folder of the modules. So first you are going to click here in the search, then you are going to choose control panel, then you just click here, then you will see programs, you choose this option, then you are going to click on programs and features, then you can search here, you are going to type Ollama, and then as you can see here you will find it. You just right click on it, you select it, then you right click on it, and as you can see there is the option install. But before you do that, just you make sure, click here and you make sure that Ollama is not opening, it's not working on the background here. Just once you remove it, for example, you just like this, you find Ollama, you just right click on it, and then you will find exit. You just click there, and after you do that you just come back here, you just select it, you right click, and then you install. After you do this step, you just go and open your file manager, then you choose this laptop, then you choose this one, then you choose users, you click on your name, and then here you can search for Ollama. You will find it here, as you can see, .ollama. You just, as you can see here, there is the folder of modules. You just select it, right click on it, and then you just delete it, and that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.